You execute a trade on a pristine technical signal. Seconds later, the market sharply reverses, completely wiping out your position and hitting your stop loss. If you are using standard tools for fast-paced scalping, this whipsaw effect happens constantly. Looking at this timeline, a simple moving average acts as a lagging historian. It applies a flat, equal weight across all of its past periods, reacting far too late to catch rapid price moves. The exponential moving average solves for speed. It applies a multiplier that assigns significantly heavier weight to the most recent price data, prioritizing immediate shifts in momentum. But here we encounter the core paradox of high-frequency trading. Because the EMA reacts to recent data so quickly, it becomes highly susceptible to minor market fluctuations. Relying on a fast indicator to dictate your entries, without a systematic process to filter out that localized noise, is mathematically guaranteed to drain your trading account through a long string of small, repeated losses. This tracks our baseline for a 5-minute chart. The fast line hugging immediate price action is a 9-period EMA. The slower line, carting a smoother path, is a 21-period EMA. The precise moment the fast EMA steeply crosses the slow EMA is our trigger event. This crossover indicates short-term momentum, not a definitive command to execute a trade. If you attempt to trade crossovers in a flat, sideways market, you get this. The lines lose their angle and tangle together, generating back-to-back false signals. The crossover is merely the engine of this strategy. Without a steering mechanism to validate the road ahead, speed alone drives you off a cliff. To steer, we require confluence. This means we must add independent layers of technical validation before a trade can be taken. This split screen illustrates our first layer, the macro filter. On the left, a 5-minute chart shows a strong upward crossover, but zooming out to a 1-hour chart on the right reveals that this upward move is just a tiny retracement within a massive downward cascade. The rule here is absolute. Never take a 5-minute crossover signal if it contradicts the dominant direction of the 1-hour trend. Our second layer is momentum validation. We use the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, to measure whether trading volume supports the chart's visual crossover. A bullish EMA crossover is only valid if the RSI simultaneously registers above its 50 baseline. By applying rigid macro and momentum filters over a fast signal, we solve the paradox. We strip away the chaotic market noise and isolate setups where the probabilities are actually stacked in your favor. Identifying a highly probable signal is only the first step. To extract profit from the market, you have to follow strict rules for physical execution. This animated bar shows a classic execution error. The price spikes and the lines touch, tempting you to enter immediately. But before the 5-minute window is up, the price rapidly shrinks back down, leaving a thin wick and a false signal. Always wait for the trigger candle to completely close. Once you enter, you have 2 acceptable locations for a stop loss. You can tuck it just behind the slower 21-period EMA, or place it securely below the most recent swing low. In high-frequency trading, losing trades are a mathematical certainty. They are a daily reality of the business, not a reflection of your skill. To survive those losses, you need an ultimate defensive mechanism, the 1% rule. No single trade should ever expose more than 1% of your total account capital. This typographic equation dictates your exact lot size. You take your fixed risk amount in dollars and divide it by the distance of your stop loss in pips, multiplied by the KIP value. Performing this calculation before every trade ensures your losses stay tiny and manageable. It strips out the urge to revenge trade, turning you from a gambler into a professional risk manager. Combining the raw speed of EMA, the discipline of confluence filters, and strict position sizing gives you a resilient playbook for Forex day trading. You can practice this exact framework risk-free today on an FXNX demo account and start capitalizing on ultra-fast execution.